Hey guys, how's it going? Today I want to do just kind of a quick review for you guys on my DEWALT table saw. The actual model number is DWE7491RS. I hadn't seen too many reviews in it, so I thought I'd just kind of give you guys my 2 cents. Just kind of based off my experience with it and let you know what I thought about it. I should mention too real quick that I actually found a pretty good deal on this table saw. I'll put a link to that deal in the description below so you can check that out if you're interested in getting one for yourself. So I'd always been a fan of DEWALT tools. They've always been kind of a cut above, no pun intended, I guess. But anyway, I was looking for a good table saw. Kind of compared a lot of them. Looked at everything out there under the sun, from Makita to Craftsman, the cheaper ones, the more expensive ones, and kind of everything out there and in between. And asked around on a lot of forums, different review sites, Reddit, etc., and everybody kind of pointed towards the DEWALT 10-inch table saw. And I guess if you kind of want the short version of this review, I absolutely love this thing, and I really highly recommend it. I would say definitely for the money, this is your best bang for your buck. There are definitely more expensive table saws out there, and there are cheaper ones out there, but this is, in my opinion, the best, like I said, bang for your buck. It's the kind of perfect mesh of price and performance. The best value out there, I guess you could say. If you go much cheaper than this, a lot of different brands, you miss out on a lot of features that are kind of important. Like, first is being quality, and second of all being the quality of the cuts you get with it. And if you go spend much more, even like double the price of this saw, you're not really getting much extra for the money. It's kind of diminishing returns, I guess you could say, on your dollar. But this is the one, that's why I said it's such a good deal for the money. You're getting a really good quality table saw, and I guess I'll talk about that a little bit more now. The build quality on this thing is just unbelievably good. Everything is just built to tight tolerances. They like cheaped out on nothing. It makes extremely accurate cuts right out of the box with like no tuning whatsoever. Just a very good quality saw. The motor that DEWALT uses on it is very, very good. It's a 15 amp motor with really high torque. It will cut through hardwood like butter. It really will. And it actually comes with a really good blade right out of the box, which is another thing. A good blade is at least $50, and this comes with a $50 blade on it. If you're getting anything cheaper than that, the blade is so important on a table saw. If you're getting a cheaper one, I guarantee you it's going to come with a $10 blade. You're going to have to replace that right off the get-go, so you're going to end up having to spend another $50 if you get much cheaper saws than this one. So that's one nice thing about it too. Just the way it's designed and how it's laid out is very easy and intuitive to use. It folds up, it rolls. It's easy to adjust, it's easy to align, it's very safe. It's just, they've really done the research. I mean, they've been making these things for decades, so I can imagine, you know, you kind of learn over time. But this is a really, really good quality saw. Like I said, that's the one to get for the money, in my opinion. Anyway, if you guys have any more questions about it, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.